Hi and welcome to the VPN Folio YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Turkish IP address. You will see it's very easy. This is useful if you want to simulate a connection from Turkey, whatever the reason may be. So there is a simple trick to get an IP address in Turkey. First, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you get a Turkish IP address? As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in France. I'm currently not in Turkey. What I'm going to do now is replace my French IP address with a Turkish IP address using CyberGhost. CyberGhost is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet or smart TV, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. I select Turkey in the list of countries. As you can see, there are plenty of other countries available, including the US, Canada, the UK, Germany, France, Spain, Japan, Russia, and so on. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're in. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Turkey. Here is my new IP address. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Turkey. As you saw, it's very easy. You just need to select Turkey in CyberGhost, click a button, and that's it. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. CyberGhost even works on smart TV. I personally use it on Android TV. As you saw, to get a Turkish IP address, you need CyberGhost. To sign up, visit vpnfolio.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. CyberGhost is one of the best VPNs. They provide their users with more than 7,900 servers in 91 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass geographic restrictions. CyberGhost is not free, it's a paid VPN, but costs only a few euros per month. With our link, you will take advantage of an 83% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use CyberGhost to simulate a connection from Turkey. Doing this will replace your IP address with a Turkish IP address. All you need to do is to select Turkey in the list of countries and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. You will then have a Turkish IP address. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as CyberGhost comes with many other benefits. To bypass geographic restrictions, browse and download with greater privacy and anonymity, increase your security, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. None of them will allow you to get a Turkish IP address. Free VPNs are also insecure, slow, and don't provide good streaming quality. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using CyberGhost, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to get a Turkish IP address. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of an 83% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 45-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to get a Turkish IP address, no matter where you are in the world. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.